In the profile page, fill out password field and confirm password field, then press submit button to update your password. This is the page of users list. Filter the users using the search option. Click this button to edit the information of a user. All the information of a user can be edited here. Finally, press the save button to update the user. Click this button to change the password of a user. To create a new user, click the Add New button, then fill out the form with required information. User can be attached with multiple process, multiple supplier can be selected too, then press the Save button. This is process list page. All the processes will be found here. To create a new process, click Add New button. Fill out the form with necessary information and click Save button. Process can be updated or deleted by clicking these buttons. This is supplier page. To filter supplier list, select process and country option, then click search button. To create a supplier, click Add New button, then fill out the form with necessary information and click Save button. Click these buttons to update or delete a supplier if needed. This is the history page. You can search by different filtering option. To search with order number, you need to select the final control from the plan type, then press search button to filter the result.